Oh, yeah. No, your real ID.
Yeah, this is.
No.
I'm Billy Buttcrack. Here you go. I got some ID right here. Here you go. I'm gonna need to see your ID, sir. Sir?
Time to go.
The public expects you to do your job correctly. That oath that you swore actually means something. Captain, is this what do you accept this behavior?
What do you need?
He should not have stripes, for one. That's disgusting how you treat the public. Two, he's yelling at me. Hold on, little man.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Flex Your Freedoms. On March 8th of 2022 was at the Buchanan County Courthouse in Iowa. He started by recording the public displays that memorialize American veterans. Once inside, he entered the office of the County Auditor and Commissioner of Elections. He asked a few questions about the role of the Auditor's office and how to obtain a passport.
Passport services.
Is there something I can help you with, sir?
Yeah, if you want to explain to me like the passport, like how I would go about getting a passport.
I can give you a form.
Sergeant Chesmore observed the interaction, and Flex walked through the public hallway to discover what other services are offered at the county courthouse. While exploring, he spoke with employees in the county clerk's office about what functions they serve. After a very short interaction, Flex entered the hallway again and was confronted by Sergeant Chesmore, who immediately, for no fathomable reason, asks Flex for his ID, and Flex takes Jeff Gray's infamous ID surrendering to the next level.
Weren't you just up there?
Huh?
Weren't you just up there?
No, I think I came from downstairs.
Do you have an ID on you, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Can I see that, please?
Oh, certainly. Actually, if I could freaking find it, maybe.
Where are you from?
No, I was thinking about moving here.
Oh, yeah. No, your real ID.
Yeah, this is.
No.
I'm Billy Buttcrack.
Your real ID.
Oh, you need the real one?
Yep.
Ah, son of a gun. Here you go. I got some ID right here. The D.
Hey, why don't you have 10-2 come over here? What's that?
I got the ID. Here you go.
Driver's license.
Oh. Here you go. I'm gonna need to see your ID, sir. Sir?
Time to go. Let's go. You need to leave.
Excuse me? Don't touch me.
Touch you? You need
Yeah, you just did. You just bumped
You
me.
need
Why?
to leave.
For what? What did I do wrong?
You were told to leave by me.
For what? What crime?
Let's go.
What crime did I do? I'm here to get papers.
Let me see it.
No, you could
Didn't
look
you
right
get
here.
papers?
Excuse me?
Didn't you already get your papers?
I think you need to slow your roll right now.
Slow my roll?
Yeah. You know you work for
Come on
me?
down here. Come on down here.
For what?
Come on.
I committed no crime.
Come on.
I'm here to look at papers, get papers,
Let's go.
see what services you
I'm telling you
provide.
right now.
Well, you could tell all day, but I followed the law.
Come on.
I followed the law. I'm going to continue getting my paperwork.
You heard the deputy, come on.
What did I do wrong? You guys can't, this ain't Russia. You can't just make up rules yourself. I did nothing wrong. He's on a power trip. I did nothing wrong. I'm here to get papers.
Okay. Mike.
What was your name and badge? Buchanan County.
My name and badge, and you haven't given me your name and badge.
Because you're a public servant, did you forget?
Doesn't matter.
It does. Did you forget? You work for me.
No.
You work for the people.
Do you live in Buchanan County?
It's none of your business. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Why are you being this way?
Why are you, tyrant? What's so funny, little boy?
I don't know.
Why can't you just respect our rights? What's the First Amendment? Do you know? Didn't think so. It's a shame that you guys swore an oath to uphold the Constitution, yet you don't even know the First Amendment.
You like the Broncos?
No, I like freedom is what I like. Apparently you guys don't.
You're still free, aren't you?
Not by you. You want to be a little tyrant. Hey, get out of the public building.
I haven't.
Hey, he went up. Yeah, because you're not going to, and if you do, guess what? We'll have fun in court.
I like your camera.
We'll have fun in court.
100 times.
Guess what? Have you violated someone's rights? Of course you have, but guess what? You ain't gonna violate mine without repercussions.
I like your camera. Brandon.
I like your facial hair.
Thanks.
It looks actually kind of good.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. You should probably grow some too. Not enough testosterone?
Too much.
Oh, okay. Hey, how about I have a task for you?
Nope.
The Bill of Rights, go read the First Amendment, because you don't know what it is, pal.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What am I doing right
Asked you
now?
a question you didn't answer.
Yeah, because you're a public servant. Guess what? You don't even know the Fourth Amendment. That's how sad you are. Go read it. Freedom of the press is what I'm doing, right?
Are you with press?
Oh, yeah, I am.
Do you have a press pass?
As covered scores of times on the channel, including just yesterday, freedom of the press is a personal liberty. Some facilities and functions that have limited or restricted areas, such as the White House or sporting event, may issue their own press passes to allow entry into an event that is not open to the public without circumstantial permissions. While there are classes you can take in universities to teach you about the ethics of journalism and how to write creatively, no government agency makes a public press pass that would allow a quote-unquote journalist any more a member of the press than anyone else in the general public. That being said, the FCC has placed regulations on public broadcasters. For example, they forbid indecent material on public airwaves to shield the youth from expressions and ideas that are deemed offensive. But as far as the simple act of filming in public given time, place, and manner restrictions, the Supreme Court has ruled time and time again that this is a right that shall be protected. However, most officers will still ask for a magical press pass, but all it does when they ask is show that they think or believe a government agency should be responsible for deciding who can and who should be allowed to be press. If that ideology isn't tyrannical in nature, I don't know what is.
Are you really that low IQ? This is America. The press pass is in the Bill of Rights and the Constitution. Huh, you didn't know that, huh?
No, you're educating me.
That's bad. If I know your job way more than you,
100%.
imagine swearing an oath to the Constitution yet you don't know.
Can you educate me?
Yes. What's the First Amendment? What 5 protections are in the First
You're
Amendment?
not answering my questions.
I don't have to.
You don't?
I don't have to. You work for me. Don't forget that.
Okay.
And maybe when you want to try violating someone's rights, you might want to read the First Amendment and the Fourth
You
Amendment.
keep talking about these amendments, but you haven't told. You're not educating me.
Yeah, are you really that clueless that I have to do your job for you? You swore an oath to the Constitution, yet you can't even recite the First Amendment. That's pathetic, and you got stripes.
Okay.
That's bad. You're a poor
I've
leader.
asked you to leave.
For what crime? I did nothing wrong. I literally just got a passport, and you're over here harassing me. For what?
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are. Hey, did you already go upstairs? Leave.
Did you?
You gotta leave.
Did you go?
No. I already told you that when you first asked.
Okay.
So stop harassing me. Go read the Constitution, pal. Yeah, I look like that too because you're looking like a fool. It's bad. You got all these stripes, all these time and service on your arm, but yet you don't even know the Constitution, the oath you swore to uphold and protect. You work for we the people. Don't you dare forget that. Don't you dare forget that. You do work for me. You do work for me. How dare you dishonor all those that have fought and died for these freedoms? How dare you?
I personally find it telling of an officer's insecurity of their understanding of the law when they don't act on their commands. Flex and Sergeant Chesmore have now been talking for 6 minutes. Originally, the deputy ordered Flex to identify and leave. When he refused, the sergeant took no further action but to engage in petty banter with Flex. If he truly believed he could make Flex leave, or even if he thought he had the authority to do so, he likely would have made it happen much quicker. Instead, however, a captain now arrives on scene.
And you're just gonna cross your arms like a beta male.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, I mean, he's doing the wrong thing. He needs educated. This is disgusting, what he's doing.
Okay.
Oh, do you want to know what happened when I came in here? Guess what? I'm being so polite to everybody. I go in here, go in the clerks, I ask them, hey, what services do you guys provide here? And you know what? I got a passport information right here because this is what I'm looking for. I'm here to go in all these offices, and this guy right here, he should not have stripes for one. That's disgusting how you treat the public. 2, he's yelling at me. Hold on, little man. Number two, I'm in here to check out the public building. Public. Don't forget that. And he's over here harassing me. Hey, you already went up there. No, you got to leave. Get out of here. No, I don't have to leave.
Ironic, you're the one demeaning us.
Demeaning you?
Yes.
Really? What's the First Amendment? What a shame. What a
Why
shame.
should I answer your questions? You don't answer.
Because you're a public servant. Did you forget? Guess what? This job right here is a lot. The public expects you to do your job correctly. That oath that you swore actually means something. You know how many men fought and died for these freedoms that we have? And you're over here trying to give me a hard time for what?
Why are you giving me a hard time?
Because you work for me. I did nothing wrong to you. What have I done to you? What have I done to you?
You're not giving us your name.
I don't have to. What's the Fourth Amendment, buddy? Is this your first day on the job? I mean, come on. You got to be better than this. Captain, is this what do you accept this behavior?
What do you need?
Well, I've just got here. I'm going to each one of these buildings, asking what services they provide. I'm getting certain things, like I just got a passport info because I'm going to fill it out and get a passport. And I'm here checking out the building, then I get harassed by this deputy. It's disgusting, his behavior.
Well, check out the building.
Exactly. Why couldn't we do that in the first place? So you have no problem?
No.
Exactly. Do you have a problem now?
Captain says it's fine.
Yeah, and he says it's fine because maybe, he appreciates the Constitution. He at least, at minimum, he understands
Just
it.
don't interrupt or go back into any place that you're not.
Exactly, and I don't. Exactly, and I don't.
That's all I ask.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Certain parts of the building are not limited.
Yeah, it'll say restricted or certain signs.
Just, anything that's open to the public, if you want to go in and
Exactly.
go ahead and do it.
Okay.
That would be my recommendation. Don't stand around and argue with us on it. Just go ahead and.
It shouldn't be them arguing with me, is the thing.
Either way.
Okay.
Just go in and do
Well, there we go. At least the captain knows, Sergeant.
Okay.
You might have to take some lessons up. Go home, maybe just check out the Bill of Rights, because you don't know it.
Thank you for your advice.
Yeah, no problem. And thank me for my service, too, because your service is not good.
Okay, well, just
Bad boy.
understand there's certain areas you can't go.
Oh, I'm well aware.
You can certainly go into whatever the public is, as long as you're not disrupting
Yeah, exactly.
the people.
And I don't.
The people that aren't coming in and out need to do business here,
Yeah.
okay?
Yep. No worries.
All right.
There you go. Thanks, Captain. Hey, Sergeant, maybe you'll learn one day.
Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
It's all right. Maybe you will too, young man. You got to learn that your job is to uphold our rights, not to act however you want. Have a good day. Walk of shame, gentlemen. Walk of shame. Yeah, keep walking. That's what I thought.
The video continues for another 15 minutes, ending as Flex reports to the sheriff's office to make a complaint about the incident. If you'd like to check out the rest of the interaction, be sure to visit Flex Your Freedom's channel and let him know I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.